What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have here a Huepar laser measurement tool. We have reviewed Huepar tools for a long time. And when I mean tools, I mean their leveling tools. So right here, we have their budget-friendly leveler right here. And then we have a little bit of high-tech leveler right here. All right, but I'm off of that. We did review these already. I will link those at the end of this video, but we are going to go over this fun one right here. All right. Now, this one will be good if you're, of course, measuring the room and stuff like that. I went over plenty of tools that you can measure the room, but here is another one. So here we go right here. Let's go ahead and get into it right now. Press down, unlock it. Need two AA batteries. Boom, right there. All right. So there we go. Batteries are in. So we push it in and then you see how it's wiggly like that. So you hold it and then that is like the best way to lock and unlock batteries. Right here, you have the tripod thread right there, which is pretty good, pretty nice, good idea. All right, you have USB Type C right here. Comes with a cable, USB Type C cable. And I have to say, they give you a decent length on your cable, you guys. Aren't y'all tired of having like a cable like that long? All right, anyways, then you have the wrist holder as well. So that way you don't drop it, okay? So this Huepar laser does 330 foot of light measurement. All right, and along with that, this is app controlled. So you can actually control this through the app. That's what they put on their product promises, and we will go ahead and test the integrity out on those promises. Another thing to note down is that this is waterproof. All right, that's what they claim. Don't come at me. All right. All right, you guys. So yes, these batteries in here are rechargeable. All right, you guys, we are going to do a quick overview on this laser measurement tool. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Right here is how you turn on your power. So we power it on. All right, as soon as it come on, there you go. So we are going to hit this button again. When you hit that button, you can make an easy measurement. So if you want to go ahead, just make like a real quick measurement. You don't need to get a tape measure and all of that stuff. There you go. Very quick. You don't have to go. Forget the tape measure, you guys. This will be the easiest thing if you just don't want to get your tape measure. All right. So what you do is you hit it again. And if you want to make another measurement, let's aim it this way to the wall. You aim it that way and it made another measurement. The cool thing is it saves it for you. Let me hit this side of the wall. It saves it for you. Now, I haven't yet found out how to delete it yet. So y'all can give me a little bit to figure out how to delete it. The thing that I do, I just turn it back off. I turn it back on and then I keep it moving. Okay. That's just me. Now, if you want to change your units of measure, depending on the country you're in, maybe you use meters, people use foot, meters, inches, stuff like that. If you want to change your unit of measure, here you go. That's why you have the U right there. All right. You change your units of measure. We're going to go over it. Oh, let me hold it. Got to hold the button, you guys. Hold the button. All right. So you can change your units of measure. Going through all of them right now. Meters, foot, inches. That's the main dogs right there. All right. That's the big three. All right. But over here, we use foot all the time and we use inches. Sometimes you need to use inches, but for the most part, homeowners that calls, the carpet companies, and they come and they use this tool to go do do and do do, and then they get all your measurements. You could just save time and let the company that you want to do work for you. You can already let them know your square footage, especially your area. This does area as well. So let's say you're going to get pebbles or something. You want to measure out your area. Maybe you got 3 by 3 by 3 or something like that with pebbles, concrete. You can measure out your area as well. All right. Now, to do square footage, let's go ahead and get that out the way because that's the main thing that people really want to know. So square footage, here you go. You have to hit this button right there, and there you go. So it will tell you to measure basically your length. So that is length right there, or width. That will be your width. and then you measure your length, however you do it, and then it multiplies, and then there goes your squared foot. It says it right there, okay? Now, that's that. If you want to change, this is area, okay? So let's say you're doing concrete, yeah, mainly concrete. I mean, you really need to know it. If you want to do like a little concrete pathway and stuff like that, you are measuring 3 times, all right? Just in case people don't know, I'm helping you out, homeowners. So if you want to do like a little concrete pathway on your own, you want to go to Home Depot, you don't know how much area you need, but it says it on the back of the bag, but you're just clueless. This tool will help you, okay? So let's say, let me put this, I'm gonna block this right here. All right, we're gonna use the height of this, all right? We're gonna use the height of this cardboard box. So we are gonna go ahead and start. I just turned it on and we're gonna use this height. Oh, I just measured the wall. Oh goodness. Let me do this. That was my fault. All right. So I just measured the wall. I just measured from here to there. And now I'm going to measure here. All right. And there you go right there. So that will be the area of footage that you need as far as, your square footage. All right. So that is what you need when you're doing concrete work. So if you're measuring like from here, and then you got to measure from here, but you also have to measure the depth of whatever you need. Concrete, whether it's 4 inches, 3 inches, or whatever thickness. So that's what you basically need. All right. So that's the main thing for homeowners. And if you need it in inches, you can just go ahead, switch your units to inches. If you need feet, switch it to feet right there. Okay. All right. We'll go over this again, but right now I want to hook it up to the app. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just downloaded the Huepar app and we are going to go ahead. This is my Google. All right. Right now, y'all watching on the iPhone. So I can't put it on the iPhone right now. Okay. But for the most part, I usually put my apps on both just to see if there's a difference. But most of the time, there's no difference. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And right here, it says tap here to add your device. So I'm not sure how to pair it yet. So let's see. While using app. All right. Allow Huepar to find. Okay, whatever. All right. So I allow. All right. Rescan. It says available devices. So I guess it sees it since it's on. So it paired by itself. Pretty easy. This was why can't everything pair like this? So this was an easy pair. Oh, nice. But wait a second. It's already. Oh, this is. I don't. The funny part is the light is not even on, you guys. Is it on? Is it doing from my phone? No, it's from this. Oh, this is crazy. So it actually sensed the device. That's insanity. All right. So it says real time. So we got real time, single measurement. So the app actually have a lot of stuff on here that I have to go over, and I will definitely do it on another video once I get more familiar. Right now, this is our first look. So let's see. All right, let's see. It says real time. Let's turn real time off and see what happens. All right, so we turn real time off. I'm going to go ahead, hit the button. I got the light on right now. Let me see. Wow, that is quick. And again, I could just snap a photo. So if I hit my thing, usually I could double tap. There you go. I double tap, I screenshot, and that's it. So there's no need for me to even run back to this, see if anything's saved. I believe you could store stuff on here as well. But if you have your phone, what's the point? I mean, I'm just being serious. I can just take another measurement. Wow, you guys. And then you can erase it. All right. Let's see. This is insanity. My bad, you guys. I am actually trying to look at it. Wow, you can title it. You could say what your title is, your notes, how you want to group it. This is insane. I like this a lot. Wow, this is quite the machine right here. All right. Alrighty. And all right. So let me all right. So my units of measure is in foot. Did it measure out foot? Let me see. Yep. So whatever you program here, it will come directly to your phone. That is insane. All right. All right. Let's go to square footage. So we're going to go to square foot right now. I don't know if this will erase. Let's see. So we got that measurement there, 2.8, and then got 9. Oh, it didn't get it. Let me see. It says error. All right, 10. And then there you go. Wow, that's insanity, you guys. That's insanity. I don't know what happened to the 10 here, but let's click this and I can just no, close. I can label it studio room measurement for floor or whatever, but that is awesome. That is awesome right there. Let me do it over again. Oh, you can actually control it from your phone as well. Oh, that is crazy. That is crazy, you guys. You can control it from your phone as well. Now, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to turn it off. Like I said, I turned it off to erase everything. And let's see. Let's go back to the app. Okay. And then it erases. All right. But it has here log. So you can actually go back and see everything that you did. And I believe you can delete. Let me see. Rename, connect, remove device. No, you should be able to. Okay. So you got delete right there. So if you want to delete, confirm, delete. All right, confirm. And if you want to delete all at once, it's just like your phone. You could delete, confirm. Oh, this laser right here, you guys, if you're a contractor, get this laser, you guys. This is cool. And it's budget friendly. It's budget friendly. 330 foot, waterproof, Wi-Fi connectable. Can't beat it. You can't beat it. Again, I have their other products. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.